Question 5. Enter the value of 3.1 plus negative 5 minus negative 0.5. Okay, now we have decimals. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that all of my numbers are decimals. My first number here is the decimal. My second number is a whole number, so I have to change that one. My last number is also a decimal. So the only one I have to change here is my whole number. To do that, I just have to add a decimal point after the whole number, so after the 5, and as many zeros as I want. In this case, I only want 1. Okay. So rewriting my expression with this new decimal, I have 3.1 plus negative 5.0 minus negative 0.5. Okay. And again, I don't like working with subtraction, so I have to add. I'm going to circle my subtraction sign, box in the number I'm subtracting. Okay. These first two, I don't change at all. It's already in addition, so 3.1 plus negative 5.0. Okay. Now I start changing things. My subtraction sign turns into an addition sign, and my negative 0.5 turns into a positive 0.5. I need to work with two numbers at a time. I am going to choose to work with these first two. Okay. 3.1 plus negative 5.0. Okay. I have a positive and a negative telling me I am going to subtract. And I need to put my bigger number on top. So 5.0 minus 3.1. Okay. In this case, I'm going to subtract one by one. So 0 minus 1 is impossible. So I have to make that into 10 by borrowing 1 from 5, making that a 4. Okay. Now I have 10 minus 1. That is 9. I'm going to bring down my decimal point. And now I have 4 minus 3, which is 1. Okay. So I know my answer is going to be 1.9, but now I needed to decide whether it's going to be positive or negative. In this case, my bigger number is the 5.0, so my number is going to be a negative. Okay. I am going to bring this number down and this plus sign down. Now I have a new expression. I have a negative 1.9 plus 0.5. Again, I have a negative and a positive, telling me I am going to subtract again. Okay, my bigger number is the 1.9, so 1.9 minus 0.5. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4. Bring down the decimal point. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Again, I need to write down my answer, 1.4, and decide whether it's going to be a positive or negative. My bigger number between these two is negative, or the 1.9, making my final answer a negative. Okay. So using the question again and my answer, I am going to write my claim as the value is negative 1.4.